So it's gonna be a busy day. Yay! Only got there. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. I'm just going to do a weekly vlog type thing this week. I was going to do one of those challenge videos where I try to wake up at like 5:30 every day this week, but it's already Monday and I already didn't manage it. I did wake up at 5:30, but I did not get up. I like got my camera out, I filmed the little thing happening at 5:30, and then I went straight back to sleep on accident. I think I let it go one more time, like the alarm, and then I turned it off thinking I would get up, and then I just fell straight back to sleep and woke up another 2 hours later. But oh well. I have a lot I have to get done this week and a lot I have to get done today. I just have a whole bunch of errands I have to run this morning. I have to go to the doctor. I have to drop off a COVID test, mail some things. Then I have some reading and stuff I have to do for some projects that I'm working on. And then I have some meetings this afternoon and then a dance class tonight. So it's gonna be a busy day. Okay, I just made it to FedEx and I have 2 packages I'm dropping off. I have my COVID test and a Secret Santa present. So I'm just going to go in there and drop that off really quickly before I head to the doctor. FedEx couldn't take my USPS package, which I kind of figured was likely to happen, but she told me that there was another like postal place over here, so I just came here and dropped off the package that's going with USPS. And now I'm going to head to the doctor so I can get my blood test done. And then what am I doing? We'll figure things out after that. I just got my blood drawn. I'm at the hospital right now, but I'm so sad because I wanted to go get La Madeleine for lunch because I love their like hamon beurre or something sandwich, which is just literally ham and cheese and butter, which is like perfect for me, and they've stopped doing it and I'm so sad. Like, what? That's so mean. So instead I think I'm just gonna go out later and get a salad. I'm gonna head home now. I have a bunch of things I have to get done once I'm at home, but I do feel really productive just having gotten these 3 things done because they're like my COVID test for school, my Secret Santa present, and this blood test. Like, it's all like just things I have had on my to-do list forever, and I was just like, I gotta go and get it done today, so that's what I did. So if there's something on your to-do list, this is your sign to just go and do it. If it's been on there forever, just get it done. You'll feel so much better afterwards and productive. And oh my gosh, it's only like 10 o'clock. Half the time I don't even wake up by now. I'm proud of myself. Okay, I've just been out again to pick up lunch for me and my mom. We got salad from this salad bar place. I'm very excited to eat it. I'm so hungry. So I'm just going to go home and eat that, and then I have a meeting at 1:30 and it's currently 12:40, so that'll be my next thing to attack, and then I have another meeting after that. I'm quite tired too, to be honest. Like, I know I didn't wake up at 5:30, but I still woke up earlier than I normally would, and I'm quite tired. It's quite a lot later now. I think the last time I updated you I was getting lunch. I've kind of failed at vlogging today. Like, I've given you updates, I haven't shown you anything. But right now I am about to hop on to my second and final Zoom call of the day. We have a Zoom call with our Be Positive hero. The Be Positive Foundation, if you haven't heard of it, is basically an organization that raises money for families with kids who have pediatric cancer. And it's a really good cause. It's a really huge thing at my school. It's called Nova Dance, the actual club that you're in, to be part of that. But basically, we get to talk with the kid that we are paired with. He is so cute, and I cannot wait to get on here and speak with him. I'm so excited. I'm like exhausted. I don't know why I'm so tired. Anyway, so I am very tired. I just had like a 20-minute nap because I was just so sleepy. Probably didn't help that I was like sat on my bed in this very fluffy, comfy blanket. I really need to wake up now because I still have things I need to get done before I have to go to dance later. And it's not even like proper dance, I'm like helping out with some classes, and I would just feel bad if I like wasn't very good because I was so tired. But I'm gonna try and keep myself occupied. I have a couple more things on my to-do list. I want to read through some documentation for my research project and edit my vlog from when I went to Disney World. Yes, I really need to wake up. Oh my gosh, this hood always makes me laugh whenever I have it up because it's huge. But I'm walking to the mailbox because my phone case should have come. I really hope it's there, else I'm going to be very annoyed because I've been waiting all day for it, and really since I got my phone for it. And as of right now, my phone is in a very precarious condition of not having a case, and that's just dangerous. So I really need this case to come. Ugh, I hate how yellow the lighting is in my room. I need a new light with like not yellow light bulbs in it. But I just walked to the mailbox to see if my phone case had arrived, and it hadn't. I think I'm gonna sit and edit a video now for a little while. See what we can get through. Okay, it's like a lot later now. My camera died earlier. Hopefully it'll stay on because it's kind of still dead. I just like turned it on. But I went to a ballet class. I just go and I help out at a studio around where I live, and I just go basically and take their point classes and like help demonstrate when I need to. But it's a really good way for me to like really make sure I'm like keeping my technique good, even though it's pretty basic classes. And yeah, that is all for today. I'm going to go have a shower and then head to bed because I am exhausted. Hello everybody, it is now Wednesday. I just like completely failed at vlogging yesterday. I didn't really do much though, so oh well. This morning though, I woke up kind of late. I did not mean to wake up when I did, and I had a meeting at 9 with my advisor for a project that I'm doing, so I just have transcribed all of my notes now that I took on my desk, because my desk is actually a whiteboard. We painted it with whiteboard paint, which was such a good idea. Like, I love having this as a whiteboard. It's so helpful. But I just wrote all of this here while I was in my meeting, and I've just copied it all down now onto Notion. That was basically the biggest thing that I had to do today. I still want to work out. I'm thinking I might put my dance floor down in my garage because my dad has my car today, so like there's room for me to do that, and I'll bring a chair down and like do a ballet class down there maybe. And I've been learning a variation, I think it's Key Tree. It's like the one with like all the turns from fifth going across the floor, and I've been trying to learn that, so I'd really like to try it in point shoes potentially. So I think I'm gonna go down and just do a online class of some description, and then maybe try doing that variation a couple of times in my tiny little square of dance floor. And then I just have videos really to do this afternoon. And yeah, that's my plan for the day. So this was the floor that I was talking about, but literally to get it laid out was such a pain. Like, it's being folded up instead of rolled, which I thought it was, And this is less than pleasant to dance on. So I have these like weights on the back, but they're really not doing enough. So I don't really know what to do. It's a lot later in the day and my phone case has finally come. I'm going to open it. It's downstairs. Yee, I'm so excited. I was not expecting it to come in such a fancy box. Ooh. Pretty. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, how does it go in?
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. I hope. Yay! I've decided to pull myself off the sofa because I just finished my book. I've been rereading the Red Queen series, which you would know if you watched my like winter break to-do list video. So I just finished King's Cage, which means I can finally start on Warstorm, but I'm kind of nervous about reading this one because I've already read the first 3, so I knew what happened. But now I only got to there in this one last time I tried to read it. So hopefully I can finish it and hopefully it won't make me cry too much, but I feel like it will because I ship Mare with Cal so hard and I really want them to work out. But I'm not going to start reading that right now because I need to clean my room because it's kind of a mess right now. And then I want to try and film another video really quickly maybe. We'll see how the lighting is because it's kind of late. It's like 5 o'clock. Okay, I just finished filming my 2 videos. I wanted to do like not a voiceover type thing, but like kind of a voiceover talky part for a morning routine, and then a recap of my sophomore year fall semester. So if those are up, I'll make sure to link them. If they're not up, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them. I'm very excited about them both. I hope they both turn out well. Oh gosh, I look so pale. We shall see. But yeah, I'm glad those are done because I have been putting off filming those for such a long time. I meant to do it like 2 weeks ago and I just haven't. I put on a lot of makeup to film these videos. I don't know how to do makeup, so I feel like the blush kind of looks like a 4-year-old did it. But hopefully it doesn't look awful on camera. I even brush my hair, which I don't do that a lot. I'm going to finish tidying up now and then wipe all of this off of my face because I don't like the feeling of it. And then I need to go and clean up my mess from earlier in the garage because I never rolled up my mat and I need to put my car in there, so I'm gonna go do that. Once again, as per usual, I forgot to end the vlog, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe because I'm going to have a lot of college content coming soon because I am back at college and hopefully we'll be here for a while. So make sure to subscribe for that and I will see you in my next video. Bye!